In this video, I'll show you how to fix missing Wi-Fi icon in Windows 11. If your Wi-Fi icon is missing in Windows 11, here are some effective solutions to restore it. So first, you'll need to go ahead and restart your Windows Explorer. To be able to do that, you'll need to open your Task Manager. To be able to do that, you'll need to click on Ctrl-Shift-Escape on your keyboard. On this list, go ahead and look for Windows Explorer. So just go ahead and scroll down. Basically, this list is actually arranged in alphabetical order. So just go ahead and scroll down and look for the W section, and then on the W section, go ahead and click on that Windows Explorer. Go ahead and scroll down a little bit more, and here, just go ahead and click on this Windows Explorer and click on that restart button at the bottom right of this pop-up. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing that you can do to solve this problem is to enable the Wi-Fi adapter. Go ahead and press WinR on your keyboard, and then in here, type ncpa.cpl. After you do that, you'll need to go ahead and hit on that OK button, and a pop-up will pop on your screen. Now, on the pop-up, you'll need to locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on it and make sure to enable it. So if it is disabled, right-click and select Enable. Now, another thing that you can do to resolve this problem is to run the network troubleshooter. To do that, you'll need to open your settings. So you can do that by clicking on WinI on your keyboard. Head over into the System section and head over to Troubleshoot, and then click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Network Adapter, click on Run, and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's basically how you can fix missing Wi-Fi icon in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.